Right then, friends, I do have 1 week left in this premises. I've been talking to the guy who's got the lease on this place today, and I've got till the 6th to move everything out. So as things are now, definitely not taking anything else in. I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, I have 5 projects going on at the moment in here. 1, 2 of them, is it 2 or 1? One of them is definitely not going to be done because it's a Warwick neck repair I've got to do. I've got to steam the fingerboard off and replace the truss rod. That will not be done. The 3 guitars I've got in will be done. I'll get them done in the next couple of days. But all next week, Monday to Friday, I'm packing everything. And Saturday, Sunday, I'm moving everything. Now, the thing is, I don't have the new place yet. Now, we are Friday Friday, a week before I go. So I've got 8 days to get everything packed up. And I'll have 2 days to get everything moved. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to find out about the other place tonight. I'm going to ring the guy, see if it's ready or what have you, and I might have a new place to go to if I go there. I've got to work out whether it's cheaper for me to buy an 8 foot by 10 shed, because I've already got the foundations to put it in my garden at my house, and it's secluded anyway. And the foundations are more or less set. So what I've got to do is buy the shed. Don't have to do anything, just have to reinforce the inside walls a little bit. It's winded and everything. It's going to cost me about £650 for the shed, and maybe another £350 to get the bits all secure and get the electric in there. The electric I'll be running from my house. I won't be getting an electricity. I'll just be running some power out, or I may get a generator. I don't know yet. So it's probably going to cost me, if I do the 8 foot by 10 foot shed affair, it's going to cost me about £1,200. Whereas if I go and rent this place for a year and 3 months at another place, it's 300 times 15. That's 4,500. You know what I mean? Is it 4,500? 15 months at 300 a month. 350 is 4.5 grand. Aren't I better off spending 1,200, 1,500 on a shed and working from home again? The only problem with that is my wife doesn't want people coming and knocking at my door every hour of the day, bringing guitars and stuff. So no, I do have a back gate. You probably got to come through the back gate, through the garden itself, and to the shed, which is going to. Now, one thing about having the shed, by the way, insurance will be a problem. So what I'm planning to do is I will not be having the guitars kept in the shed. They'll be kept in my house, and my house will be insured for everyone else's guitar. So that's the best way I can do it. So I may go that route. It depends how much I want to build a shed and get it all up and what have you. I've got brothers who can come and help me with it, and if I had to mix some compo up for better foundations, I'll do that. So that is my plan at the moment. It's a shame I've got to leave this place, but I've got to be out by the 6th of March. And you know, it's the way it is. But I'm not downhearted. It's just I'm going to have to put some work off for a bit. Like I said, I'm doing everything I've got in at the moment. Oh, I know what I've got. I know what another job I've got in as well. But everything will be done, bar, I believe, the neck I'm working on, the Warwick neck. And the guy will know about that. I'm sure there's another long-term one as well. Can't think of it right at this moment. Oh, I've got some refresh booked in. I'm not taking anything in. I will not be taking anything else in at all until about the 2nd week in March. It's just the way it is. I'm running on low collateral. I've not had any money off Royal Mail for the past 2 months. They're not paying me anything, and I've got no SSP. I had all that last year, so I've not had an income from anywhere else but here this year 2023. And I bet I've only done I've done less than £1,000 this year so far because I've not been working too much. But anyway, that's not a problem. But what I'm saying is, for the time being, taking nothing else in, I will get back to you with an update as soon as I have one. I would imagine it's going to be round about the 2nd week in March. But I'll post updates on my Facebook, facebook.com/NG17. That's facebook.com/NGONESEVEN. I'm Victor. I am your fret friend, and I will continue to be your fret friend. But until the next time, boys and girls, God bless you all. Be very good to each other, and I mean that. And I'll see you in the next one.